Hi everyone, this is Trish with the Sitesmith, and we're here today to show you how to add widgets to your WordPress website. Now, not every theme is going to be widget enabled. Every premium theme will be enabled, and most of your free themes will, but there's a chance that yours isn't. The way you find out is you click on Widgets under Appearance. If you have widgets enabled, you'll see this screen. If you don't have them enabled, you'll see a message basically telling you that widgets are not enabled. It's much easier to just find a free theme where they are enabled as opposed to getting someone to code that into your theme. Coding can be a little bit expensive depending on how much you need. So find a theme that is widget enabled, and we're going to go from there. We're going to go ahead and add some widgets into your website. We're going to add three kinds of widgets today. We're going to add the regular out-of-the-box widget. Those are easy. We're going to add a picture to your widgets, and we're going to make it linkable as well, and we're going to add a YouTube video to your widgets. So let's go ahead and start with the out-of-the-box widget. Let's start by putting, for example, we'll want our categories in there, and you have a few options here you can display as a drop-down, which means that if you have a lot of categories, you probably want that. Otherwise, all of your categories will appear in a list, and we don't want that. That can be really messy. Let's do an archives that shows you all the posts. And we'll do a search as well. Let people search our website since we took that out of our header. Okay, we'll click Save on each of these. Now we are going to add a picture to our sidebar. What you'll do is you'll drag over text. Scroll down a little bit so you can see that. Now you're going to need some code that goes in there. The way that we get that code is we're going to add a new page or a new post, it doesn't matter which. We're going to get the code from there. Click on your Upload Insert Picture. We're going to get a picture from our library because we already have a bunch of pictures in there that we can use. We'll show that, and we'll insert that into Post. Now you'll see, if you're in the HTML tab, you'll see all the code. If you're in the Visual tab, you'll just see a picture. So you want to get over to the HTML tab and get that code. We're going to copy that code. We're going to go to our widgets and we're going to paste it in. Now if we leave it the way it is, we have just a plain picture on our widgets, and that's great, a plain picture on our sidebar. And that might be all we need for some things. But let's say we want to make it clickable. We want someone to be able to click on that picture and go somewhere. So what we're going to do is up here where it says a space href equals quote and then a URL, we're going to change that URL. And we're going to give it the URL of our recipe website. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And now let's take a look at our website. Let's see what that looks like. Now you can see you've got your categories, your archives, your search, and then you've got your clickable picture here. If we click on that, let's see what happens. And it takes us to the website that we wanted to go to. Great. Let's get back into our widgets. Now we had talked about putting in our YouTube video. You'll notice that when I went back, it didn't have any widgets. That's because I was using the back button. So if that happens to you, just reload the page. Everything is saved. You won't have lost anything. So to get a YouTube video in there, this is really, really easy. It's actually easier than having the picture in there. We're going to drag over another text widget. Then we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to get a video that we want to embed. You'll see here we're at our Sitesmith channel. I want you to see what this looks like when you first click onto it. Okay, so we're on the Sitesmith channel, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on Share, and then you're going to click on Embed. Don't take this link. This is not what you want. This is what you want right here, this iframe code. You're going to copy that using Control-C or Command-C. You're going to click back to your widgets, and you're going to paste that code right in to the widget. Okay, we've saved it. Let's see what this looks like now. And you can see there's our video. Now, of course, it's the default size because it's the size that it's the size that YouTube has it set for. So what you'll want to do is to go in and adjust the size. The size of our picture was actually just about right. So let's look at that. That's 300 by 225. So you're going to probably want to change this dimension. Let's see what happens when we do that. Let's save that. And now we're going to click on our website and see what that looks like. And you can see that it has changed the dimensions to the right size. And that's it. Thanks for letting us be of service. If any of this is confusing, or if you have any questions, or if you'd like to talk to us about how we can help, email us at trish@thesitesmith.com. Have a great day.